guys, welcome to the video Ceiling Fans in My House 2017. The reason why I'm recording it so late is because we just moved in and we have new stuff coming, and so there's new 2017 fans. This says ceiling fans are not for sale. They're only to look at. I'm watching you. Cool? Okay. Just push that here, and let's get going with the Hampton Bay Anchor, then the Harbor Breeze Enzo 2, and it can be applicable with the light kit or not, and that is the Hampton Bay Brewman. There we go. This is a Fanimation Celsius from 2016, or blades. Hunter Soul. You see, I've upgraded my ceiling fans to 5 blades. Almroth Equinox. Harbor Breeze Tahoe. Oopsies. We get a good jump start, and there we go. Harbor Breeze Polaris, Harbor Breeze Lansing, 2, Hampton Bay Tucson, Vento Cassini, okay, that was section C and D. Now we'll move on to A and B, or the office spaces. So let's go on to the office space. It is Harbor Breeze Twin Breeze. Man, this is so dark. Hampton Bay Palm Bay. Office space is just so tight. You see, my ceiling fan, I'm gonna tell you a secret. Ceiling fans are made out of Legos. Harbor Breeze, Baja Breeze, Hunter Napoleon. That was a new arrival. And flush mount. Hampton Bay. Solera. Before, it was a different ceiling fan, but the name got discontinued, okay? Just the name. Choo-choo. This bell is used for production, but I'm not selling any of them. This baseball from Hunter Ceiling Fans, caution, it's full of electrics, JK. Oh, and I forgot to Harbor Breeze Square, 52, and Modern Odor. Okay, guys, back up. Oopsies. I think my head grew. Harbor Breeze Ironhide, Hunter Bell. Oh, there we go. Hampton Bay Crown Canyon, Emerson Beatrice, Casablanca Caress, Harbor Breeze. Wah! Never mind. Harbor Breeze Fiend. Harbor Breeze Fiend. No. Okay, we need some repair strips. But there we go. Sorry. Turn of the Century Caratus. Not ready. Coming in 2018. Regency Solar System. That's coming in 2018. But I'm not sure why. So let's just hook the Crown Canyon back up. And start down Rough Alpine. How's that? Turn of the Century, Phalanx, Harbor Breeze Magnus, Hampton Bay Garrison. Now this is my favorite. See? That looks like a garrison. Westinghouse Sidewinder, Allen Roth Enberg is a new product. Reanimation Concord, really old but still invincible and cool. Hampton Bay Preston, Harbor Breeze Avanti. Yes, it should be on the naughty list. Animation, walk away. Oopsies. One of the lights broke. Oh, there we go. Oh, and this is Emerson Lighthouse. Emerson Studebaker. It wobbles a lot. Harbor Breeze Aviator. Hunter Apache. Please. Oh yeah. If I forgot. The Harbor Breeze. The Newton Sunsail. Okay. Now we're outside. Ready for porch with my assistant Worky. And starting with the Regency Outlook. And then we've got Emerson Sidewinder. Actually, Casablanca Sideswipe. Westinghouse. This is the Westinghouse